Looking for a reliable way to upgrade your network to 10 gigabit Ethernet? Shaxion's Category 6A Keystone jacks deliver just that, providing a solid termination point for backbone and horizontal wiring. Compatible with Shaxion and industry standard Keystone plates and surface mount boxes, these jacks ensure a smooth fit every time. What sets these jacks apart is their support for 10, 100, 1000 space T Ethernet and full compliance with emerging 10 gigabit Ethernet standards. With a bandwidth of 500 MHz, they outperform Category 6 jacks, which only offer 250 MHz. That means faster, more stable connections with less interference and better pair separation thanks to higher twist ratios and extra buffer space around the 4 jacketed pairs. Installation is a breeze. The jacks snap into any standard Keystone port without the need for tools. Plus, the dual 568A/B color-coded 110 clips make wire termination quick and foolproof. Whether you're wiring a wall plate, patch panel, or surface mount box, these jacks simplify the process and reduce installation time. I've tested these jacks on multiple projects, and every single one worked perfectly on the first try. The quality matches or exceeds higher-priced brands, but at nearly half the cost. That price-performance balance makes Shaxion a smart choice for professionals and DIYers alike. If you're planning multiple outlet installations, the 10-pack option offers great value. You get consistent performance across all your connection points without breaking the budget. It's worth a look if you want reliable, high-speed networking hardware that won't slow you down. Beyond just compatibility and speed, Shaxion's Category 6A Keystone jacks future-proof your setup. They're backward compatible with 10-100 space T and 1000 base T, so you won't have to replace them again as your network evolves. That kind of flexibility matters when building a network that lasts. Ready to upgrade your network with dependable, easy-to-install Category 6A Keystone jacks? Shaxion offers a straightforward solution that blends quality, performance, and value. Try it when you're ready to experience faster, cleaner connections without hassle. Don't settle for outdated or overpriced options. Shaxion's Category 6A Keystone jacks deliver what you need for today's high-speed Ethernet and tomorrow's demands. Check them out and see why so many users trust Shaxion for their networking projects.